My friends, the Axie Infinity current condition is also very good. But my friend, expert says to the very huge explosion is coming soon on the 1st November. In the next month, my friend, in the start of this next month, I'm 100% sure, my friends, to Axie Infinity will give you a very huge, as my friend, surprise. And because my other expert says to in upcoming tasks, especially the CEO of Axie Infinity, my friend, who are personally said, my friends, to we are going to collaborate. So I don't know, my friends, to which companies they are collaborate, but absolutely they are starting collaboration. So I hope if they were starting collaboration, the community will more increasing and people are starting and trusting, my friend, on Axie Infinity. When the people are starting and trusting on Axie Infinity, then 100% the community will be increasing now. So therefore I'm 100% sure, my friends, in the upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon. But I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to kindly holders be ready for this huge pump, because this is unbelievable and very huge sum. So absolutely, when a holder are stop selling, my friend, when a holder are starting investing more and more, then the price will more increasing. But if we check out, my friend, the last 3 days chart, so in last 3 days, after a very bad dump, you can see, my friends, they will pumps up, and after that they will again fails down. So remember, this is temporary fails. I'm 100% sure to after this fails, they will again pumps up and give you a very huge profit. But this is temporary dumps and temporary pumps, so don't focus on this, my friend. Please, yes, because expert says to if you starting focusing on this, then 100% you are lost. But if you are invest for a long time and just in only, my friends, go and sleep, now I am 100% sure to when you wake up, they will give you a profit. So therefore I will notify you to please, the huge explosion is coming soon. Axie Infinity holders, kindly please hold down and don't starting selling. So thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope in upcoming time the Axie Infinity price will more increase. Allah Hafiz, take care.